If you want to connect a printer to your POCO M8 Pro, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're just gonna open the settings. In here, scroll down a little bit in order to find more connectivity options. And then we are looking for the printing option. In here, you can find two print services. If you have a Xiaomi printer or similar, then you can just choose Mi Home, and then most likely you can find your printer in here. So it's gonna be super easy. And besides that, if you have any other printer, you want to go to System Printing Service instead, and try to find your printer over here on this list. There is a chance that you will not be able to find your printer on either of these lists, so in that case you want to go to Add Service in here, and then you want to add the service of your brand that you have, I mean the model of your printer, or just the manufacturer, I guess. So if you have like a Samsung printer, you want to get the Samsung plugin over here, and then you should be able to use that instead in order to try to add your printer. However, what you need to keep in mind is that in some specific cases, in some specific models of printers, these printers require you to download individual apps or just like designated apps, and that cannot be found in here, but you can find them in the Play Store. But in order to find out which app you want to get in order to be able to connect your printer, most of the time you just have to check the manual of the printer and then see what it tells, because unfortunately I cannot really share that information with you. I cannot really tell you what app you need to use in that case, because like I said, most of the time models have their own apps that have to be installed. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.